Today, we come together for a special assembly by Class 5th A. Based on the inspiring theme, Mastery begins with mastering yourself. The program begins with a very warm and gracious welcome to our dear parents. This is followed by the ceremonial lamp lighting, symbolizing the light of knowledge, wisdom, and positivity. The program then unfolds a graceful devotional dance. Our young learners will next present inspiring speeches.
We often dream of becoming successful doctors, teachers, scientists, artists, or sport persons.
A melodious group song, and engaging English act, beautifully highlighting the importance of self-discipline, confidence, determination, and continuous self-improvement. And because learning becomes even more memorable when blended with joy, we have also planned some fun-filled games and engaging activities, especially for our parents, an opportunity to participate, connect, and create wonderful memories together. The program will then continue with an enriching parent enrichment session by Ms. Manisha Rathod, focusing on nurturing the self-discipline, building confidence, developing positive values, and strengthening the partnership between home and school. Today, our children remind us of a simple yet powerful truth. True success begins when we learn to master ourselves. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.